Look at that thing. Alright guys, we've got the Duke 790 with us. Duke 790 in the Africa Twin, flying through London, or cruising through London. Oh, what? I keep saying that. Yeah, Adventure 790 Adventure. There's a speed camera there. Oh my god, I thought that was police. Ooh, same colour as my old 07. I see that. Speed camera. Fucking nearly got a speeding ticket to traffic lights. Mate, he's just ran the red, isn't he? He literally just ran that. I feel like we look pretty innocent on the adventure bikes. Soon enough, people are going to realise ADV bikes is where it's at. No road is a problem. Obviously, the road should be in better condition, but like these bikes can handle it anyway. That's one of them three-wheeled bikes right there. Mind that wet patch. I don't know what that was on the road. Yeah, what is this about? Look at that. Oh, that's not a wet patch, is it? that's a hole that's been filled in. Is that what it was back there? Oh my days, it's a Lamborghini Gallardo. Yeah, that blue's nice. What does this reg say? R3. Oh, camera. Hey! Vai, go, go! Pô, Brazilian. All the way! There's a good chance that they are Brazilian, but I can't just assume that everyone's Brazilian. People start getting insulted. Yeah, he's Brazilian, definitely. Which way are we going? Straight. Oh, it's a 20, isn't it? This guy's trying to go over right, I reckon. Yeah, he is. Still doesn't indicate. Till he's gone over right. Nice one. What's that? Is that... What, that one right there? Which one? Looks like shit. That's one of the most expensive ones. They must obviously be banging inside, but they could have done a bit more to the outside. What the f is that? That's a horse balancing on its nose as a statue. That's so random. Oh! Flipping hell, that's bigger than I remember it. Hello. Where are you from? Ukraine. Do you like motorcycles? He likes them, yeah?
Yeah. He has his own one, but it's in Ukraine.
Yeah, yeah. What one did he have?
When?
What did you say he had a motorcycle before?
He has his own one. One small dirt one.
Yeah.
I also had, but I sold all of them.
Yeah.
I had Ninja, but...
Ninja?
Ninja.
Yeah.
But I dream about some Africa Twin, about
Yeah.
some touristic bike.
It's worth the dream.
It's new, yeah?
This is 2020.
Wow.
It's a shame there's a fence there.
Is it automatic gearbox?
This one's manual.
Manual. Great.
The best.
Yeah.
If he wants to come round, he can have a... Does he want to have a go?
Sit? Ah, you wanna do?
Yeah, yeah, might as well. Here you go. Let me get in the proper experience. This one here, boom. Big smile. You know how to start it? You can get him to start it afterwards.
It's a neutral?
I think so, there's a big green end, yeah. See what it's all about, guys.
Thank you so much, guys.
That's alright, no problem.
Very high
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, have a nice day.
Cheers, mate. You too. Hopefully you get the Africa Twin.
I wish.
Yeah, one day, mate.
One day.
Oh, that's a sick photo. That's so sick. Where have they just come from? Where'd you come from?
Italy.
Italy. Oh, you was right. You rode here?
We have to go to. We want to go to see the tourist trophy.
To the what?
The Island of Man.
Oh, you want to see the Isle of Man TT?
Island of Man.
Isle of Man.
Isle of Man.
Isle of Man TT. Yeah. Staying in London today?
Just today in London, tomorrow in Cardiff, and tomorrow after tomorrow in Liverpool.
Okay.
So and then we will stay 3 days in.
Yeah.
See the tourist trophy and come back.
But you have a hotel in London today?
Yeah, sure.
You have a safe place for the bikes?
Yeah.
Safe.
7.
You have a safe place. Safe.
I hope.
London is.
Yeah, I know. Thank you very much.
Fuck, give him the heads up. See you later, guys. Have a good trip. Hopefully he sees that sign. You know. But he's gonna like adjust his mirror and go straight into it. Huh? Get on, mate. Where you going? See you later, mate. Oh, there's a mini tank there. Flipping hell. You wouldn't see that one coming, would you? Mate, that come through your front door, mate, and blow your room up. Aim for the baby. Feels so bad because I'm filming, but I'm going to use that content. I bet she's a really happy girl, but oh no. Yeah, she's hating on my bike right now. Yeah, flipping hell. Mate, I thought she was going to go up my throat and kill me. Cool. This is crazy, isn't it? The nice parts of London are mental. Look at that. Call that gold. How much do you reckon that building's worth? You know how old that actually is? I'll put it on screen for all the nerds out there. This is cool, isn't it? Oh, I could be popping a nice wheelie right now. But it's alright, I like my license better. Yeah. Ah, in front of the girl! I don't want to go past the police. I've got a small plate on. I'll go on your left. Hottie in there. Is that two women? That is. How much CC's that got? Now I just look like I'm hating. I was trying to have a bit of banter. Oh yeah, hold on a sec, hold on, slow down a little bit. There we go. Now I ain't got to blur your plate. I can ride across here and enjoy the experience without worrying that I've got to blur plates later. Flipping hell, look at, oh yeah. I swear that's down here like once a year. He always swings by. Nah, I can't be arsed with that. Yeah, I don't like their entrance either. Last time I nearly wiped out an old lady. I had a passenger on the back, and mate, that was like the narrowest gap they could have made, followed by an old woman sitting on a chair. Like, smaller than the gap they done for the signs. You have to do some evasive maneuvers with a pillion on the back. Look at that thing. I really want to go pull up next to it. Yeah. What's he gonna do? Get his knee down? You know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna put that online and the guy's gonna see it, he's gonna, mate, I've got a leg problem. And then I'm gonna get cancelled. What's he on? Nice bike. Oh, it's them again. Mate, that guy didn't tell me I had a nice bike. He just said cheers. Pretty upset. Africa Twin, but it's a 2019. Oh, this guy's just f***ed me. Just edged forwards when I was gonna squeeze the gap. I squeezed it still. I'm hiding your number plate behind my big screen. Actually, I've got to get my head up and concentrate. Is that a speed camera? Oh, he squeezed that nice. I have to wait for people to cross in front of me. Ah. Yeah, a little bit wider. Goodness, it's crazy. I'm right behind you, look. I just got a new bike, check me out. He's trying to get past the last 5 minutes. What's he saying? Does he want to race? Red light. Huh? He's mad. He's mad. He is mad. Mad guys. Yeah. See you later, mate. Yeah, they put this whole, they just separated the whole lane, didn't they, by this, like this hard middle bit. Curb. I forgot what the name was. Probably could have squeezed a U-turn around here, but missed that little window there. This is a roundabout around here. Legend, absolute legend. I went to a house party down here one time. It was a New Year's house party, and everyone was leaving, and I was so f***ed, and they just didn't know where I was, and then they found me upstairs in one of the bedrooms in the cupboard, like in the wardrobe with their cat, and their cat was blind. Oh, they got a little bit of food in here which I might grab. Oh, we're only a steak right now. Ah? He come over to me and he was like, "Can I have some sweets?" Thinking, what? I look like the local pedo. I have no idea where I am right now, but I have an idea where we're going right now, and that's a Brazilian roll. First, we've got to get to a McDonald's. He needs to use the toilet. Then we're gonna go to a Brazilian restaurant, so should be interesting. Shit, it's the feds. I'm joking, it's the ambulance. Left, this way, left. Oh my god, I thought it was, what's his name? It's Andrew Tate, but the mock version. What's his name? Bottom G, I thought that was Bottom G. Right here, right there behind that thing. Do you speak Portuguese? Oh, okay. Alright, cool, let's go in. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I'm starving. Look at this. It's like cheeseburger style / gourmet burger. Looks banging.
Like a-
Which one you just got the standard one?
I got the same as you then.
Oh, same one.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it?
It's got like some
Bacon in it.
slab of ham or bacon the same.
No, I've got bacon and ham. And we've got the fritters. Let's try these. I'm like to go pint Heineken.
Soji.
Soji. Oh, what? This is a good place. I could stay here and get less batter speed, mate. Taste test live and direct, guys. Green mayonnaise. You don't know about this. If you ain't been to Brazil, you might not know about this. Oh, the dip's so nice. Got to do it twice. It's banging, but definitely don't hit the same. I mean, it don't hit the same as out there. That's fire. I can work with this. He's up. Oh shit. I thought that was police behind me then, that could have been bad. Oh, I squeezed it! He squeezed it! Oh, I nearly died. Just on the way to Ace Caf. Got a little bit of battery on my camera for you right now because I just missed the best content of the day. Testing out these new night settings as well. Which way? Is it straight? Huh? Is it straight?
Yeah,
There's no one here! I'm gonna hit a petrol station instead. Chill there, get a drink. You know any petrol stations around here?
Yeah, if you go back the way you came, over there,
Over that bridge?
go up.
Just over that, oh, is it a bridge, is it?
Yeah, you see where it says super high, basically just go up past it.
Oh yeah?
I'll show you.
Yeah, alright, cool, let's do that. I think that plan's out the window. Oh yeah, I see it. Which way are you going? Ah, yeah, in a bit. Right, guys, I'm gonna charge my phone. I mean, charge my camera. Let's pop it off around there.
Motorbike driving, they don't have a fucking 10 pound more pound guy.
Yeah.
We give you all the time motorbike. Last time, 3 people put the floor, no, and also don't go like that.
Yeah.
Every time, we give you my money.
Yeah.
You driving, you should have everything.
Yeah. Well, if you
He said,
drive, you gotta pay.
Otherwise, trust, okay, give you the phone or anything. We'll leave it and come on. I know you want to come.
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah.
I said, dude, last time one guy was big bike. I told the police, look, brother, rules like that.
Yeah.
You want to fill up? I go somewhere else.
Yeah.
I don't care. This kind of
Still going on. Yeah, yeah, it's crazy. Still going on. Hey you guys, see you next video. I'm just charging this up. I'm gonna do a nice cruise through central London in a new night setting. So be a chilled video for you guys.